Hey, Julian.
I explained to him, you're now armed with pepper spray. You can use it. You're allowed to.
Come here. Are you crawling? Uh-oh, he's about to head off his mat.
So, I mean, you're not in trouble for that. You're allowed to.
He's
going beyond.
The best thing for us to do right now is the weekend.
He's gone where no baby's gone before.
Hey, baby. Watch. He doesn't. What, do you want to stand up now?
He's crawling.
Oh my God, Julian! You're totally, like, out of here. Oh, now he wants to stand. You gonna stand up? He was standing up in his crib. Like I said, Lily caught him standing up in the crib, leaning all the way out. Whoop!
Oh.
Crab!